So we are saying goodbye to the glitter shitter in my salon because I am going to try the little peel and stick wall tiles that I picked up from Family Dollar. And here they are right here. I chose the white because I decided that I want to go for a more cleaner and brighter look. So I am going to scrape all of this glitter off with this, of course, clean the walls, and then we're going to hang these wall tiles and see how they are, see how they hold up, because they are $1. Now, they do sell these same ones and similar designs in the dollar store, but as we all know, the dollar store went up to $1.25, and these are still $1 at Family Dollar. So if you're looking for these, go to Family Dollar instead of Dollar Tree. So this is me scraping and scraping and scraping. And although it doesn't look like I scraped a lot of the glitter off, that is the problem. Glitter that came off the wall. Now I'm going to scrape it a little bit more, but that's going to be about it because I ain't going to be spending the rest of my life trying to scrape every little piece of glitter off of here. And this crunchiness should probably actually help with the adhesion of the tiles. So we'll see what happens. So phase one is out of the way, and I've scraped all I can scrape. Now I know y'all can see these walls and then they look pretty much the same, but honey, I done scraped so much glitter off of these walls that once I hit my funny bone, this is it. So I went over top of it with a sanding block just to like get whatever else I could get off of there. Y'all see all the glitter and everything all in my hair and everything. But the next phase of this is going to be, we going to wash the walls down, and then we going to get to going with the tiles. So I took these out of the pack, and as you can see, got a little glitter on here, but it's really nothing to it. Just a little, these are like hollow, not real tiles, obviously, but it's going to give us the look. And basically all we have to do is peel this in the corner and stick them to the walls. So we just gonna start this. It says peel off from this angle. So let's see what we got. Now, hopefully this is sticky enough because it feels sticky. All right, let's go on with the next one. And I think we need to just add them side by side and make sure that they're lined up properly. Now, these look like, let me see how it look if I flip it and rotate it, because in some of these grout sections, it looks, so, I don't know, let's put down this one. So it looks like it's gonna be 3 across. I'm gonna move this. I feel like these not low enough. So let me see something. This one, I feel like it's not all the way to the floor, or maybe the wall is just crooked, but we about to find that out right now. This may affect the stickiness and this may not, but I don't really care because I can just get more because they were only $1. All right, now let's see. Okay, yeah, so this wall is not set evenly. It's not even, so that's why the floor, I mean, the little piece was sticking up a little bit over there, but it's okay. Whoops. Now we're gonna move up to the next round. This is pretty easy. The hard part comes in when you have to cut them, but laying these down is fairly easy. You just gotta make sure that they are lined up correctly. Hold up. think my vision is off or something, because I feel like I keep lining this up and they keep doing something different. If this don't turn out looking how I see it in my mind, it's getting right off, honey. Something ain't right. I'm gonna probably have to go get my level, because me trying to freestyle, this shit ain't lining up the way I need it to. This one got a little gap. But I think that means that I just didn't put this in the right spot. This one, I feel like it has to move up. And this one, something ain't right. So, all right, so that just fixed. Because I got a little space right here. All right, hold up. Because I'm trying to get this straight. I don't want this shit to be looking. It already costs $1. It don't gotta look like it costs $1 for me to put it up. There. And I definitely don't want the pink showing. A little bit better, because that wasn't working out. It's supposed to be like that. I'm trying to keep the brick pattern going. All right. So my test wall is completed. I took it up to the top. And as you can see, like these little gaps and openings, I am for sure going to have to secure these with additional glue because they are not that sticky. But I'm gonna just let them stay up here overnight just to see what they do, to see if they peel all the way off and come off. So I know what I gotta do next. But this is a fairly easy project, and I would say that my skill level is a 0 because, like, as you can see, like right here, you wouldn't even believe that I actually measured this and it turned out like this. Like, how? Like, what happened? Like, I measured it. Like, I used a tape measure, or not a tape measure, whatever this thing is, a level or something. And this turned out to be a mess. So I'm going to have to neaten this up. So I'm going to peel this one down and use it as a stencil. I'm going to peel this one down and use it as a stencil because, yeah, these little jagged edges, like, that ain't going to work for me. So, but I like the way it looks. It was easier to cut these up at the top, and I'm not worried about the little space that's up there because I'm actually going to put them on the ceiling too. So that'll kind of like, cover that up. But I think it overall looks really, really good. And I can't wait to see the finished product.